Hi, I'm Zoe, and in this video we're going to be looking at examples of greater depth problems that can be used to assess pupils' understanding of length, mass and volume. This can be quite a complex area for pupils to visualise, so having those concrete resources to hand will be really useful. Here's our first problem. The volume of a cuboid is 42 centimetres cubed. What could the dimensions be? We're hoping they remember the volume of a cuboid is length times width times height. So what they're actually trying to find is three numbers that multiply to make 42. Hopefully, with 42 being an even number, they spot that it can be divided by 2. So the first thing they can do is do 42 divided by 2, which gets them 21. So the first dimension they've got of our cuboid is 2 centimetres. They now need to find two numbers to make 21. Hopefully their knowledge of times tables is superb and they'll know it's 3 and 7. So 2 times 3 times 7 is one possibility for our cuboid. When they make this cuboid, it's really key that they understand that when they move these numbers around, they'll have the same cuboid just in a different orientation. It will still be 2 by 3 by 7. That can be a sticking point for some of our pupils. Again, hopefully their fluency and their number sense, they know that if they double one of these numbers, they can halve one of the other numbers so they get a different cuboid. So if they doubled 3, for example, to make it 6, they could halve 2 to make 1. So a cuboid 1 times 6 times 7 will also have a volume of 42 centimetres cubed. It will be a different cuboid. And there we're exploring with greater depth what that could be. So that's our first problem. Let's have a look at another problem to do with weights measures. And again, this is a really complex problem, one you'd want Year 6 to look at. Again, we're going to use our bar model. I'm not going to go into how this works. There are plenty of our videos on bar modelling if you want to have a look at that. But Farad weighs 12 kilograms less than Zahir. Daniel weighs 0.6 kilograms more than Zahir. Their combined weight is 118.2 kilograms. What does each person weigh? Again, we're drawing bars to help us here. So we've got Farad in first. If he's 12 kilograms less than Zahir, we can see that here this must be 12 kilograms. He's 12 kilograms more than Farad, just changing that round. We've then got Daniel. He weighs 0.6 kilograms more than Zahir. So this little bit of our bar here, that is 0.6 kilograms. So hopefully pupils can now see we can have three bars exactly the same, but we've got 12, 12 and 0.6 together. So that's 24.6 kilograms is the first thing that we need to take away. Upon doing that, we have 93.6 kilograms left. That we can now share between these three bars, so each bar will be 31.2. We can then add this in, so Farad is now 31.2 kilograms. Zahir is our 31.2 plus our 12, which is 43.2 kilograms. And Daniel is our 31.2 plus the 12 plus the 0.6. So he will be 43.8 kilograms. So using our bar model in a way with a problem that relates to mass really gets pupils thinking in a very complex situation. And there we have it. Two problems you can use to assess pupils' understanding of length, mass and volume.